We're okay for now in terms of what we delivered?
Oh God, yeah. Oh my God.
Hi everybody, Dan here at my CRM Manager. In this testimonial from Carl, he had Sage, he had Salesforce, and using the GUMU, we were not only able to bring over any accounting data that they wanted to see in Salesforce, but we created a series of very meaningful and practical reports and dashboards that made it much easier for Carl to administer the business. Let's hear what he has to say.
Dan and team did a great job understanding our needs and getting done exactly what we needed. What you guys have got to me is going to help me to do all the analytics I need to look at patterns, to look at what's coming in, see where we're having growth. And I'll look at all of that, and that will then turn into action. I was doing it before, but I'd have to cobble together a spreadsheet, and then, would get outdated. And I couldn't sit here and click through and look at everything. And now with what you did for me, it's just the beginning of being able to use Salesforce to look at all this data properly.
The GUMU Salesforce to Sage integration made all of this possible. We did it for Carl. We can do it for you too. If you're interested in learning more, just let me know. Thank you.